In prime time news tonight, sacked. Prime Minister dismisses Education Minister Will Reid. Opposition demands Auditor General probe Education Ministry affairs.
Our report indicates the depth of the cancer of corruption that has now engulfed the Holness administration.
And Jamaica to close its embassy in Caracas, Venezuela.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Milton Walker has our preview.
Yes, Janella, major new changes in our printing technology which revolutionized that industry. We'll have that story in the business day.
Good, and from Milton to Jermaine at the sports desk. Jermaine, what's coming?
Well, thank you, Herman. Not quite as sacking, but the fates of a few teams in the Red Star Premier League has been decided, including one former champion being out.
Exciting stuff there. Thank you so much, Jermaine. Yes. There's also the health report, sports commentary, and E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what is your reaction to the sudden resignation of Education Minister Will Reid?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News Package returns after this break.